Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear student, today we are going to learn a grammar part. In that we are going to learn about the abbreviation. Do you know abbreviation means what? See here, abbreviation is a shortened form of the word. Okay, it is a shortened form of the word or it is a phrase used in writing to represent the complete form. Okay, it is shortest form of word or phrase. Okay, we use in writing. Why? To represent it the complete form. Got it? So in that example of the abbreviation, you know that lots of examples are there. That is a DR, doctor. Okay, we are using lots of abbreviations day to day life. Okay, from that we have few of them we are going to learn today. First I will write what is the abbreviation. An abbreviation is a shortened form of word. Here I will write here definition. An abbreviation is shortest form of verb, form of word or phrase used in writing. Why we are writing? Yes, why we are using this? Used to writing to represent the complete form. Complete form. Okay, so what is the abbreviation? Now you know that abbreviation is a shortest form of the verb or phrase. Okay, shortest form of word or phrase used in writing to represent the complete form. So from that example of the abbreviation I write here, you know that we are using AM, PM. Okay, what is the exact full form of that AM and PM? Yes, first I'll write here. See your example. What is the full form of AM? We are always using this AM. Why? Yes, it's mean that ante-meridian. Okay, ante-meridian. Ante-meridian means what? It is a time of before midday. Time of before midday time. Okay, ante-meridian. Yes, ante-meridian. Got it? So like that, you know that PM. PM means what? We are using this PM. Okay? What? AM and PM. Now PM means what? Ante-meridian means before midday. I'll write here before midday. And PM means what now? Post meridian. Post, meridian. Means what? It is a time of what? Before midday or after midday? Yes, after midday. We are using this AM and PM, but we have to know the meaning of that. Yes, so AM means what? Ante-meridian, before midday, and PM means post-meridian, means after midday. So these are the examples. So in that also different types of there. Yes, so abbreviation we are writing in 4 types. Okay, which are they? First is initialism, second is acronym, third one more is shortening, and fourth is contraction. Okay, I'll write here. 4 types of there. I'll write here. Types. There are 4 types. We can write the abbreviation. Yes, first one, initialism. Okay, we'll see in detail. Second one is, that is, see here, acronym. Okay, acronym. Third one is shortening. Okay, and fourth one is contraction. These are 4 types we are using to write abbreviation of particular word or noun or whatever it is, or phrase. Now we are watching this, or we can see in detail. See here, first initialism, acronym, shortening and contraction. What is the meaning of initialism? Okay, let's see here. I'll write here. So, in that first initial, you know that. Initial word, you know that. So, initialism, in that it is formed from the first letter of a group of words. Okay, it is form of, see, this abbreviation is form. Okay, this is a formed from, see, this form from which word? First letter of a group of word. Group of word. Now example of that means what? See here, initializing means first letter of the group of word. Okay, it is form. How to form? See one example I will write here. You know that SBI. What is the full form of that? SBI, State Bank of India. Yes, so it is formed like first letter capital. So every words have its first letter capital written. See here, State Bank of India. So you see here, see each word, okay, first letter we write or we written capital. So what is it is called as initialism. Like IOB, SBM, this bank we are writing, see, then IOB means what? Indian Overseas Bank. Yes, IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. We are writing here first letter capital. See. So these are called as initialism. Okay, initial first letter of that group of word we are writing capital. Okay. Now second we have to see acronyms means what. Okay, let's see the second. First one over. I'll write here second. Acronym. Acronym means what? How it form? See here, it is from first letter of group of word. Okay, first letter of group of word, like that only. First letter of group of word. Now see the example. You know that NASA. NASA, NASA. What is the full form of NASA? Do you have any idea? Yes? Okay, I'll tell you. National, Aeronautical and Space Administration. Aeronautical and Space Administration and Space Administration. Here you just check it. Yes, what we written here? NASA, National Aeronautical and Space Administration. This is example of acronym. Means it is form of from first letter of the group of word. Yes. Next, see third one. One more example I will tell you here. PIN. Usually we are asking what is your PIN code. Yes, PIN code. So here we are using this PIN. What is that PIN? Tell me. PIN means Private Identification Number. Private Identification Number. Always we are writing, see here, P, I and N. So always we are writing in capital. Yes, if we written like that, what is your PIN number? This is wrong. So always we have to use these words as it is in capital letter. One more example, you know that VAT. VAT, VAT. VAT means what? VAT. What is the full form of VAT? Value added what? Value added tax. Tax. So these are the example of acronym. Next is third type of abbreviation. What I told you? What? Yes, that is shortening. Shortening. So how to write this? Yes, shortening when to use? It is an abbreviation in which the beginning or at the end of the word has been dropped. In that it is an abbreviation what we can do in shortening means what? It is an abbreviation in which the beginning or end of the word what we can do is dropped. Word or words has been dropped. Has been dropped. See here, what is the example of that shortening abbreviation? Do you know? Yes. So in that beginning or end of the word has been dropped. How? See here. I'll write here. Sometimes we are using this word ad. What is the full form of ad? What? Advertisement. Yes. What is the full form of that? Advertisement. Yes. See here. Here first beginning of the word. Yes. Or end of the words are dropped. So here beginning only we drop. Remaining we not written here. So only this two, by using these two words we can understand. Ad means advertisement. One more example here. App. Now we are using different app. So you are calling it app. What is the full form of the app? Yes, application. So here what we did? Yes, what we did here? See here, first 3 letters we dropped from that full word. One more example you can say here. We are writing here, see, flu. Flu means what? Do you know? What we are calling it? Influenza. Influenza. So here see flu. It is a middle. Okay, so beginning or end of the word dropped. So these are the example of the shortening abbreviation. Now last one we are going to see. Even you are writing, see, sometimes you are writing here, see, FEB. What you are writing here? Short form. February. Okay, Saturday. Okay, sometimes you are using these words. See, you are not writing full September, but what you are SCPT, you are using these small abbreviation to get know. Now fourth one is there. Just see, contraction. Which one? Fourth one, contraction. Let's see here. Contraction means what? Yes. It is an abbreviation of what? Tell me. Yes, contraction means it is an abbreviation in which we drop letters from the middle of the word. From the middle we are dropping the words. Okay. It is, I'll write here, abbreviation in which what we are doing? We are dropping the beginning. What we are dropping? Beginning or middle? Yes. So here in which we drop letters from middle of the word. Middle of a word, which is the example. And one more thing in that, we not write full stop at the end of this. Yes, not, we are not using. And see here some of the example from that. See, we are using this abbreviation what? DR. What is full form? Doctor. Here see, first and last letter. What we did? We consider middle these words. What we did? We dropped from the word. Yes, got it? One more example. Mr. You are writing MR. What? Mr. Raj, Mr. Patil. Whatever you are writing here. Mr. means what? Full form of that? Mr. So here see, first and last letter we consider. Middle with letter. Remaining see 3-4 letters we dropped here. One more example. See, GOVT. What is the full form of GOVT? Government. See here what we did here. See these 3 letters we consider and this last letter. Yes, so middle letter we dropped. One more example you can see here. See here, JR. JR we are writing for to whom? Junior. So here also first letter and last letter we considered, remaining middle letter we dropped. And one more ST. Here I will write here one more ST. Why we are using this word? Why, to whom we are using this abbreviation? Yes, what is the full form? Saint. See? Saint. Saint means who? See, those persons who have knowledge of holy. Yes, so for them we are using Saint Francis. Sometimes we are using the school name Saint Jesus. Whatever we are using these words, we have the knowledge of holy book. So these are the abbreviation. So in today's class what we learned here? See, abbreviation means what? Abbreviation is shortest form of or shortened form of the word or phrase. Yes, so there are 4 types of abbreviations. That is, first what I told you? Yes, very good. So initialism. So first is initialism, second is acronym, third is shortening, and fourth one is contraction. Yes, contraction. So these are 4 types of abbreviation. So here you have homework on page number 97, and even you can write it in your notebook. Okay dear students, hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.